I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Mitsubishi Mirage key battery. First, find the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press it firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. Next, look for a small notch or seam on the fob. Carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver into this opening and gently twist to separate the two halves of the casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the internal components. Carefully separate the two halves, being mindful of any small circuit boards. Before removing the old battery, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Then, using a small, non-metallic tool or your fingernail, gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. Avoid using excessive force. Now it's time to install the new battery. For most Mitsubishi Mirage key fobs, you'll need a CR1620 coin cell battery. Make sure to insert the new battery with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards, just as the old one was. Gently press it into place until it's seated securely. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and carefully snap them back together until they click. With your key fob reassembled, it's important to test its functionality. Go to your vehicle and try the lock, unlock, and panic buttons to ensure they are all working correctly. If everything responds as expected, you've successfully replaced your battery. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.